Right, you lot. Forget your supercars and your fancy electric doodads. Today we're talking about proper machines. The titans of tarmac, the kings of the Autobahn European trucks. Welcome to our countdown of the most boundary-pushing trucks in Europe. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trucks? Clarkson's gone completely mad. But listen up, because these aren't your granddad's rusty old lorries. These trucks are not just about hauling cargo. They redefine innovation and performance. We're talking cutting-edge technology, fuel efficiency that would make a Prius weep, and more gadgets than a Bond car. So, buckle up, grab a beer, and prepare to be amazed. This is going to be a wild ride through the heart of European trucking. First up, we've got the Mercedes-Benz Actros. Now, you might think of Mercedes as a luxury car maker, and you wouldn't be wrong, but don't let that fool you. The Actros is a beast in a tuxedo. It's got more gadgets than a Bond villain's lair. We're talking about their active drive assist system. This isn't just some fancy lane-keeping nonsense. This thing practically drives itself. All right, you still need to keep your hands on the wheel, but it can accelerate, brake, and steer on the motorway. It's like having your own personal chauffeur, except he wears a high-vis jacket and delivers goods instead of champagne. And speaking of efficiency, have a gander at the fuel economy on this thing. It sips diesel like a vicar at a tea party. They've used every aerodynamic trick in the book to make this thing slip through the air like a greased weasel. But it's not all about being sensible. Oh no, the Actros has a trick up its sleeve. Under the hood, you've got a range of powerful engines, including a monstrous 16-litre unit that churns out enough torque to pull a small moon out of orbit. And the interior? Don't even get me started on the interior. It's like stepping into a 5-star hotel room. You've got leather seats, wood trim, and enough space to swing a cat. Not that you'd want to swing a cat in here, it is rather nice. Next, we're heading north to Sweden, the land of flat-pack furniture and, more importantly, Volvo trucks. Now, Volvo has a reputation for building safe and reliable vehicles, and the FH16 is no exception. But this ain't your grandma's Volvo station wagon. This is the FH16, and it's packing a 16-litre engine that produces a mind-boggling 750 horsepower. That's more power than some supercars. You could tow a small island with this thing, and it wouldn't even break a sweat. But power is nothing without control, which is why the FH16 comes with Volvo's legendary I-Shift automated gearbox. This thing shifts gears faster than you can blink, making sure you're always in the right gear for the job. And let me tell you, this gearbox is smoother than a buttered otter sliding down a rainbow. But the FH16 isn't just about brute force. Volvo knows that truckers spend a lot of time on the road, which is why they've gone above and beyond to make the cabin as comfortable as possible. We're talking about a spacious and ergonomic design, with plenty of storage space and a bed that's more comfortable than my own. And the seats, they're like sitting in your favorite armchair, except you're hurtling down the motorway at 80 kilometers an hour. Now let's talk about Scania, another Swedish powerhouse that knows a thing or two about building exceptional trucks. The Scania R500 is a prime example of their commitment to innovation and sustainability. This truck is a rolling testament to Scandinavian design, with sleek lines and a bold, aggressive stance. It looks like it was chiseled from a solid block of Swedish steel. But it's not just about looks, oh no. The R500 is packed with innovative features that make it one of the most fuel-efficient trucks on the market. We're talking about their OptiCruise gearbox, which uses GPS data to anticipate upcoming hills and adjust gear changes for optimal fuel economy. It's like having a co-pilot who can see the future and plan your every move. And speaking of the future, Scania is also leading the charge towards sustainable transport with their range of alternative fuel options. The R500 can run on everything from biodiesel to biogas, so you can haul your cargo with a clear conscience. But let's not forget about the driver. The R500's cab is a masterpiece of ergonomic design with a driver-focused layout and all the creature comforts you could ask for. It's like a mobile office, except you get a better view and you're not stuck in a traffic jam with a bunch of disgruntled commuters. Chapter 4, Man TGX, the German efficiency machine. Now we're heading to Germany, the land of precision engineering and some might say a slight obsession with efficiency. And when it comes to efficient trucks, the Man TGX is in a league of its own. This truck is a masterpiece of German engineering with a no-nonsense design and a focus on getting the job done. It's like a well-oiled machine, every component working in perfect harmony. Under the hood, you've got a range of powerful and efficient engines, all designed to squeeze every last kilometre out of a litre of diesel. And thanks to Man's efficient cruise system, which uses GPS data to optimize speed and gear changes, you can be sure that you're getting the most out of your fuel. But the TGX isn't just about fuel efficiency, it's also packed with cutting-edge technology like their latest generation of driver assistance systems. We're talking about adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, all working together to keep you safe on the road. It's like having an invisible co-pilot who's always looking out for you. And let's not forget about the driver. The TGX's cab is a spacious and comfortable place to be, with a driver-focused design and plenty of storage space. It's like at home away from home, except you get to drive a really cool truck. Chapter 5, DAF XF, the Dutch master of space. Hold on to your hats because we're heading to the Netherlands, a land renowned for its tulips, windmills, and more importantly, DAF trucks. Now, DAF has a reputation for building trucks that are spacious, comfortable, and incredibly fuel efficient. And the DAF XF, well, it's the epitome of that philosophy. This truck is a behemoth, a rolling testament to Dutch engineering prowess. But it's not just about size, oh no, the XF is all about maximizing space and efficiency, both for the driver and the cargo. Step inside the XF's cabin and you'll be greeted by a space that's larger than some studio apartments. Seriously, you could host a small gathering in here, with a standing height of over 2 meters and a floor plan that make a real estate agent drool. The XF offers unparalleled living and working space for drivers, but it's not just about sheer size. DAF has cleverly designed the cabin to maximize comfort and practicality. You've got ample storage space, a comfortable bed that'll make you forget you're even in a truck, and a driver's seat that's more akin to a captain's chair on a spaceship. And let's not forget about fuel economy. The XF is powered by a range of highly efficient engines, all paired with DAF's innovative Traxon gearbox, which is designed to squeeze every last kilometre out of a litre of diesel. They've even got predictive cruise control that uses GPS data to anticipate upcoming hills and adjust your speed accordingly. Talk about smart trucking! Chapter 6, Renault Trucks T-High, the French Revolution. Finally, we arrive in France, the land of fine wine, delicious cheese, and dare I say, rather stylish trucks. And when it comes to style and substance, the Renault Trucks T-High is a true contender. Now, Renault Trucks knows that image is everything in the trucking world. That's why they've gone above and beyond with the T-High, creating a truck that's both modern and elegant, with a touch of French flair. The exterior design is all about smooth lines and aerodynamic efficiency, with a bold front grille that commands attention on the road. It's like a fashion model on wheels, turning heads wherever it goes. But the T-High is more than just a pretty face. Underneath its stylish exterior lies a powerful and efficient workhorse, ready to tackle any challenge. It's powered by a range of Euro 6 compliant engines, known for their fuel efficiency and reliability. And let's not forget about the driver. Renault Trucks understands that long hauls require a comfortable and well-equipped workspace. That's why the T-High's cabin is a haven of comfort and technology. You've got a spacious and ergonomic design with plenty of storage space and a bed that's fit for a king. And the dashboard? It's packed with all the latest gadgets and gizmos, including a touchscreen infotainment system that'll make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Outro, the future of trucking is here, so there you have it, my friends. 6 European trucks that are redefining the road as we know it. These trucks are truly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the trucking industry, combining cutting-edge technology, breathtaking efficiency, and driver comfort that'll make you want to trade in your sports car for a life on the open road. From the self-driving capabilities of the Mercedes Actros to the sheer power of the Volvo FH16, these trucks are a testament to the ingenuity and innovation happening in the heart of Europe. They're not just hauling cargo, they're hauling us into the future of transportation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to find